Welcome, dear friends. Are you worried about this annoying sound coming out of your speaker, or music instruments, or your car audio system? Then this video is for you. Please watch until the end without skipping. Solution 1. Fix ground loop. Ground loop is the most common cause of this continuous buzzing noise. When different equipment in your audio system are connected to different power sources, or ground points, the small voltage difference between these ground points creates current flow or a loop, which is called ground loop. There are many articles available over internet, if you are interested to know more about it. The focus of this video is how to avoid ground loop. Connect all your audio equipment to a single power point. Do not use multiple wall sockets, instead use a single wall socket and an extension board to connect all your equipment. Also, if one wall socket causes noise, please try the other one. Disconnect unused cables and turn off unused devices. Especially if you are using PC, check both front and back of your CPU, and disconnect all unused audio cables and devices. Ground loop isolator. This little device is available online and in electronics shops. Please double-check the connector types at your device before placing an order. You can connect this between your audio source and speaker. Ground lifting plug. Remember, grounding is a safety feature that could save you from possible electrical shocks. Therefore, you should revert this step immediately after confirming that grounding is indeed the issue, and seek for professional help to fix this. You can get ground lifting plug from nearby electrical shops. Alternatively, if your ground pin is removable, you can temporarily remove it. Switch on your speaker now and see if it fixes your buzz sound. If you face this issue in your car audio system, please check if you have properly grounded your devices, such as stereo system and amplifier. A good ground point is always an unpainted, unrusted part of your car's metal chase. Always try to use the default factory ground points, instead of creating a ground point of your own. Clean the ground point if you see rust and dust build up. Most importantly, ensure to screw it properly. There should not be any loose connection. Solution 2. Fix electromagnetic interferences. The ground loop that we talked is originated within your audio circuits, but electromagnetic interferences if originated from external electrical devices, such as your refrigerator, or air conditioner, or computer monitor, or any electrical device that is not properly manufactured or shielded for electromagnetic radiation. There are few simple ways with which you can narrow down and get rid of this issue. Just move your audio system here and there, and if the noise varies, that confirms some of the nearby devices is creating electromagnetic interference. You can also take your speaker out of your current room and check it out with just one audio source, maybe with your mobile phone, and see if you still get the buzzing sound. The modern cars has significantly more electric motors than vehicles from a few years ago. Power window, power steering, braking systems, everything is driven by electric motors. Each of those motors can generate a magnetic field that could interfere with sensitive audio electronics. Please talk to your service professional on properly shielding these electromagnetic interferences. Solution 3. Fix system settings. If you are facing this issue in your computer, maybe you have selected some wrong settings. Especially if it is Windows PC, please follow these steps. Solution 4. Fix hardware issues. Try different audio ports to see if audio port is damaged. If you have spare audio cable, please see if that works without the noise. Try different audio source, as simple as your mobile phone. After checking all these, if you still have this issue, maybe some of the components in your speaker such as capacitor or an IC have failed, you should get it replaced at your nearby service center. Good luck! I hope this was helpful. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you so much for watching.